The bagel, guys. Wow.
That's the smoked meat.
Traditional scent.
Hello?
So we are going to
Canada.
Quebec. We are going to Quebec, guys. So it's currently 3:46 a.m. Papunta na kami ngayon ng Quebec. Because possible na 8 to 12 or 8 to 13 hours ang biyahe papuntang Quebec from here. So yeah, see you guys there. Sobrang sakit ng katawan ko.
Madami lang sa atin. Madami pa sa car eh. Mas madami yung kita. Tulog naman pa.
Kain ka na. Magbibihis na muna kami
tayo kasi mga comfy lang mga sinuot natin.
Oh, sa bagel place. The bagel place. Hello guys! So ayan, nandito na kami sa Quebec. We're just going to the bagel place that Christine wants to go to. Say hi guys. Yan sila mga kabayans. Order na kami guys. The receipt please. The bagel guys. Wow.
That's the smoked meat.
Traditional scent.
Hello? That's right?
Yeah.
Notre Dame Basilica of Montreal?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Dito.
Sila dalawa nila. Yaman.
Ito?
May big tissue nila.
Enough?
Kay Catherine.
Miso. Sarap? Ganda ang pendulum. Saan? Sa likod? Paki-hold na lang to. Thank you.
The cutting mo.
Ganda ko. Ganda ng apartment na po. Maliliit yung apartment to.
Stop na.
Bawal pala to. At pag nag-DJI. Hi! Hi, DJI!
Hello everyone! So ayan, nasa parking lot na kami. And hindi yan yung pupuntahan natin. Pupunta tayo sa Notre Dame. I don't know, but we're gonna walk kasi sobrang liit ng daan dito sa Montreal. Yeah. So ayan. Kami sa Gedli. Ano ba? Montreal store. Wow. Wow. There's a plane. Oh.
I mean, yeah, whiteboard or
this one?
fridge. Oh, that one? That you can put anywhere, I guess.
Oh, I just have them in my box.
Kaya, sorry mo po. Di ba alam kung tama na pinagbabago?
Ayan guys, ang ganda. Grabe, ang lalaki ng mga kinemberlo dito.
Yeah. How about this one? Is that the church?
That's the church, yeah.
Oh! Sila, ito pala yung church eh.
So that's actually a really old bank.
Huh?
Really old bank, like Bank of Montreal. And then
Si Jose Rizal.
1, 2, 3, and... Isa pa, 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Portrait naman. 1, 2.
We are now here at the Notre Dame. Or Notre Dame.
Napapasok na tayo sa Notre Dame.
Or Notre Dame. Ganda.
Sayang, wala tayo pumasok.
May bayad siya.
May ano talaga, parang tourist spot yun.
Hindi na kami pumasok. Bakit? Ang mahal, $16 per adult. So, parang naging negosyo na yung church. It's like 700 pesos per person. So, wag na lang. Here.
I like the plate number 1.
Wow.
Ito.
Bonjour. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, they don't have water.
Water.
Pwede mo pamigay ko. Ayan.
Hindi, wag mong bigyan ng ganito, hindi nila ma-enjoy.
Ito.
Oh, ako lagi yung bumili ganito, pang butas.
Or pwede din yung kabuuan ng Quebec. Ito maganda.
Pangit yan, oh.
Je me souviens.
Oh, yan, 390.
Bibili ka po, tita?
Si Catherine daw.
Oo, maganda.
Mom, which one do you like more?
Aray!
Ano mabayad?
St. Hubert.
Saint Hubert.
Hubert, yeah. Hubert.
So hard to pronounce. Ayan guys, dito na kami sa Saint Hubert. Which I don't understand. They have rotisserie. It's all in French.
Oo. Okay lang kung makasamin.
No, this one's the regular, this one's the
Or if you like,
What is that? Creamy coleslaw.
Yeah, you want
more? That's it.
That's okay.
Dito yung normal na rice.
Ate.
And then, ito yung kay Denise.
The half rack ribs. And then this one's the double leg rotisserie with Caesar salad. And then this one's with rice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really hot. And si Papa daw.
This one's the ribs, guys. Top.
Is it good?
Yeah, sweet.
Happy birthday, CJ!
Happy birthday, CJ! Magkano?
Ito, ay, basa.
Like that.
Masarap yung kanin.
Hindi. Pero okay. I mean, kaya mo na kainin. Hindi sa yung ibang-ibang lasa na, yung lasang beans.
Yeah.
Ano sa diet rice?
Gusto mo? Lasang parmesan.
Can I put,
Let's try this shimcan.
I don't like. Yeah, try.
This one's the rotisserie. Still has blood.
Do you think I can order more rice? Yeah, is it good?
Yeah, it's nice. Sarap.
You like? Thank you, it's good.
The chicken tenders, guys. Tikman natin.
Sabi na kanina naman.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, CJ. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, CJ.
You raise your hand, you say thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Salamat!
Salamat!
5 hours. Sa labas. Sa layasa.
Once the hotel, guys. So let's enter. Are we gonna enter? This one's the hotel. Guys, meron silang hot water, dark roast, decaf roast, and you can also have dark chocolate. It's open for 24 hours. Situation right now.
You can do it today. Naluturo mo na daw siya pa. Ang washroom. Ito tayo sa washroom.
Mayroon bidet? Okay. Let's open the lights. So, ayan guys. Ito na ang aming hotel bathroom or washroom. Ayan, meron siyang small bathtub. And amenities ay towels. So guys, so ayan, punta na kami ng baba para mag-hot chocolates.
Ayan ang dalawa.
Kukulang. Saan siya nagkakanap sa baba? Just gonna stay here, guys. Hello, guys. So, ayan, we're just here drinking our hot chocolate. Yeah. Grabe yung pagod sa biyahe, guys. But it was worth it. And, yun nga pala, dito sa Quebec, most of the people here speaks French. Yeah, right? What? Here in Quebec, most people here speaks French because I don't know.
Jumamel.
Yeah,
Jumapel.
they always talk to us in French, and then when we say please talk in English or English please, mag-English naman sila. Like that's usual for people in the hospitality industry. Kasi nga, required silang marunong mag-English for tourists also. Ito yung part ng Canada na mostly nagpe-French and they have their own flag. Ayun. Yan lang naman. Some fun facts. And dito rin nag-shoot yung Goblin. So we will try to go there tomorrow if it's not raining. But if it's raining, yeah, I might miss the chance. Sobrang love ko ng K-dramas. So I really want to see it for myself. The shooting location, even the red door. So sana mapuntahan namin. And according to the weather, it's gonna rain tomorrow. But if it will not, hopefully makapunta kami dun bukas. Which is, kasi 10 PM na ngayon. Ayun. Yun lang naman usual gagawin namin dito. Like, gala lang talaga. And we're with Christine's family, the Ortiz family. So, yeah. That's it. So, mostly dito sa vlog na to is puro biyahe-biyahe lang. Since it took us like how many hours? 13 to 14 hours to get here, or 14 hours to get here. And then we stopped by Montreal just to take pics and to
About
have
16 hours in total.
yeah, just to take pics and to have lunch as well. We went to the Notre Dame or the Notre Dame, but sadly we never got the chance to go inside since may bayad nga ng $16 per person, which is for us is super pricey for a church to have that. So yeah, medyo nakakalungkot lang since yun yung isa sa mga gustong puntahan ni ate. It's not because nagtitipid kami, it's just that I think or we think it's not that practical to go there or to go inside. Some of the locals or some of the tourists, not even Filipinos na nakasabayan namin, didn't even go inside when they knew that may bayad yung papasok. So yeah, nagpicture na lang kami dun sa labas ng church. Yeah, yun lang naman. Tapos yan, papahinga na lang kami ngayon. Tapos bukas yan, whole day gala. We're gonna have buffet breakfast here and then have lunch outside, stroll the Quebec City. So, ayun lang naman. And then, we're gonna go home by the 3rd day. We're gonna go back to Ontario. Yeah. So, yeah guys, that's it for our vlog now. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell below. See you on my next one. Bye!